Hi everyone and welcome back to Miss Craft's Let's Lair. I am Barbie, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am here to talk to you about Paper Pumpkin. This is a wonderful box, and if you're not familiar with it, I'm going to be going through and showing you what it looks like when you open your Paper Pumpkin. Now is a great time to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin because the celebration sale is going on right now until March 31st. And with this, you earn free product. One of the things that there was one in here that I wanted to show you and I didn't mark the page. This one I am going to be showing you in a later video. I do have that sitting on my shelf right now. And this is probably the next one I am going to be getting. Look at those cute little pandas, and you earn them free with a $50 order before tax and shipping. And also Paper Pumpkin, with the way that the celebration is going on right now, there are two different levels. This is different from other years that we've had celebration. There are two different levels. There's a $50 level and a $100 level. So for every $50 spent, you can pick one level 1 or the $50 level free product. There are also products in here for free. Let me find one here to show you that are $100 level item, which means you can get one of these with a $100 purchase. Now, if you do a $100 purchase and you don't see anything for the level 2 that you like, you can always get 2 of the $50 level 1 items for free. That being said, with the prepaid subscriptions for the Paper Pumpkin, 3-month level, you'll earn 1 of the level 1 or $50 items for free. For the 6 months, subscription, you get to pick 2 level 1s or a level 2. And for the 12-month subscription, you can earn 4 free level 1s or 2 free level 2s. So awesome, not on top of getting your Paper Pumpkin every month. So let me just show you. I left this one, I got this about a week ago, but I left this to show you guys what it looks like when you open your Paper Pumpkin, because there's a lot of things that you can be said, like, oh my gosh, Paper Pumpkin comes with all of this, but unless you see it, you may not understand everything that comes in your Paper Pumpkin. Now, to start off with, this is an older, not an older box, but this is a box that comes to me. I have been a Paper Pumpkin subscriber now for over a year, so I don't get this one anymore. But with your first subscription, first box in your subscription, or if you choose to do the month to month, you start off with getting one of these clear blocks in your box. And as you can see, it's hopefully, maybe if I move the box, but it's engraved with the Paper Pumpkin, so I am not, there you go, I am not telling a fib about that one. You do get that because you're also, when you open this box, going to get the ink spot that goes along with your, with the projects for the month. Sometimes you get 2. And you also get, this is from the January box, so it is, let me flip these the right way, the Valentine's Day set that goes along with this. I think that is adorable, just saying. And then you have all this nice blue tissue paper, and here is your kit. I'll take this out and put the box aside. And it comes all nice and wrapped here for you. Looks so pretty. Now I'm going to take out my snips and carefully open this because you don't want to cut into any of your projects. And these Stampin' Up! Snips are extremely sharp, so you don't want to risk that. So there's everything that was in my kit. I'll put those aside. It comes with this box or cardboard thing that comes in handy for other things, so I will stash that up on my shelf. And here are your instructions to make the project as they are telling you to make it, as they have designed it, basically. And here you go, step by step on how to create your project as they had designed it. On the back of this, I wanted to show you this cool feature. So if you want to go off and do your own thing with this and such, and you're wondering what color goes with this, right here it says, not only does it say everything that your kit has in it, but it also shows you the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors to this particular set, or to this kit. So you have the basic black, the flirty flamingo, the rich raspberry, and the whisper white. That way, if you do want to go off on your own and just do something with what you have, there you are. Now, of course, you don't have to go off and do your own thing. You can do the project that they have described to you, but a lot of times we all just want to go off and do our own thing. And so it says here that we have the 16 card bases, which I have here, and 16 envelopes. And then we also have the die cut notes, and we have this one is the, see, this is what I get for not looking. I would say that those are the banner sheets. 2 banner sheets, 2 vellum sheets are here. And they all have, if you can't tell, the vellum's kind of hard to tell, but you see that they're all pre-cut for you, so then that way you don't have to worry about having scissors or the dies and thinlits and such for the big shot, or even having a big shot. At this point in time, this is a very good kit for beginners. So if you haven't, or if you're thinking about getting into stamping, this is a perfect start, because you're getting everything you need to create a project straight off before you start on your paper stash, which once you start doing this, trust me, you're gonna have a paper stash. And these are also cut out, so you don't have to worry about that. That's the joy of Paper Pumpkin, is the fact that everything is cut out, everything is set and ready to go, and you can sit down and in just a matter of an hour or so, you can have everything done in your kit. If you are hardcore and just don't want to stop. And also, the adhesives that come with these are a great start too, because you have your ink dots that come with your kit as well. Anytime you need ink dots, they come with the kit. Your Stampin' Up! Dimensionals. And then this also comes with adhesive dots. I am liking those. And finally, last but not least, is the ribbon. And the ribbon is cut so that you have plenty, if not some left over, at the end for other projects, which also helps you build your stash. Not to mention, you have your, these would be the 3 products that you would have that come in your kit that are reusable, and you get to keep them and have fun with them and create more stuff with them. So, I am looking for some more people to join my Paper Pumpkin posse. So if you are interested in joining Paper Pumpkin, contact me, and I will be more than happy to set you up with your new subscription to Paper Pumpkin, as well as newsletters that will be going out starting next month as far as different alternative projects you can do with your paper pumpkin. I would be more than happy to have you join my Paper Pumpkin Posse, and I will look forward to hearing from you. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to come back and look for more videos that I have that I will be uploading here shortly. Have a wonderful day, and until next time.